Baitai Falls here in Samoa. And Mali'i is just like a short walk from the main road in Mali'i. Maybe like a 10-minute walk from the main road to where Baitai is. But it looks like it's so deep in the middle right there. Really deep. It's a good swim on any day of the week except for when it starts raining because then it's a bit rough and dirty during the rainy days. Otherwise, it's such a nice spot for anyone or a family who wants to for a nice swim in the river. Here in Samoa, in a village, a small village called Mali'i, where I'm from. And this lucky land here belongs to the family of Mali'i. And we're here on a holiday for 2-month holiday here in Samoa. We just decided to pop by just to enjoy a little short swim here in Mali'i. And just this part of the river lies along our block of land, so it's this part is called Baitai. And if you're in Samoa, you'd like to come here for a swim, come through and enjoy a nice vibe here in Baitai.